guys, how's it going? You guys ever been on a dino safari before? Did you see that pair of coelophysis we just passed? They're real predatory dinosaurs with blade-like, finely serrated teeth. We'd better move on quick. Did you hear that? Crikey! That sounded mighty close. Okay, so I know I might come across as a fearless, intrepid explorer, but deep down I'm a safety man through and through. So please remain seated and always keep your arms and legs in the car. Look over to the right, folks. That's the awesome Splash Lagoon. That Dilophosaurus on the left is looking pretty angry. Watch out! Don't forget to take a trip on our boat safari where you can see more amazing dinos like that impressive Brachiosaurus over there. Uh-oh! Looks like one of our Jeeps has run into a bit of bother. Think we'll have to leave it there until that cheeky little Compsognathus decides to hop off the bonnet. Our security guy. He takes pics of everyone, then plants them on the wall in outpost 12 for all to see. Now, this is a very special place, as a couple of raptors have decided to nest in this old, disused tunnel. Look to the left, in that recess, there's some eggs. Wow! Look, guys, that baby raptor's just hatching. Oh, this is incredible. A rare treat for all of us. Oh, cute little fella, eh? Check him out. Wasn't expecting that. That's one mighty big dino. Best get out of here. You guys all okay? Ahead is a Megalosaurus. He originally lived right here in England about 166 million years ago. He's about 6 meters long. So even though Megalosaurus means big lizard, he's not huge by other dino standards. Now these fellas to the left are ornithomimus. They don't look too happy with us being here. These bird-like dinos are mighty fast, but don't worry, they're not meat eaters, so we should be fine. But